This is Susie from Little Bench. Today I am here with a recycle craft. We are going to make a pen holder from newspaper tubes. Before getting on to today's project, I would like to thank all of you for the positive feedbacks you had given me for my previous video. Many of you had tried the popsicle stick shelves and had sent me the pictures. Thank you all. So moving on to today's project. We are going to make tubes with this newspaper, and this is a craft paper, the gift wrapping paper which I had with me. So I'll show you how to make tubes with this, and then we'll make an easy pen holder with that. I'll show you how to cut the newspaper first. So this is one flap of the newspaper. So folding it into half and then again into half and then like this. Now let me cut it out. So it's like this now. Again once more I am folding it like this. And again I am cutting it out. So this is the size of newspaper which I got. This is around 24 centimeter length and 9 centimeter width. That is the size of these newspaper strips. In the same way I am going to cut this paper also. This is almost the size of newspaper. I am folding it into half. Then again like this. Like this, and once more. Now I will cut this out. So this is almost the same size of the newspaper. Now we are going to roll out the tubes. Place a thin skewer on a corner of the newspaper at an acute angle in a slanting position. Now start rolling tightly. Move your fingers to adjust as you roll on. You can pull the skewer to this side as you move on. When you reach towards the end, apply glue and fix the end. Now slowly take out the skewers. Let's make more tubes in the same way. For this particular pen holder which we are going to make, you might require 24 to 30 tubes depending upon the height you need. I have made enough number of tubes. At first I thought of weaving both brown paper and newspaper tubes together. But now I feel it won't go together, so I decided to stick on to just the brown paper tubes. Now let's start making the pen holder. For the base of the pen holder, you can use any shape. Here I am using hexagon base. So I have cut 2 hexagon pieces of cardboard. These can be of any size depending on how small or large you want the pen holder to be. Here I have made regular hexagons of 5 cm sides. I don't want this cardboard piece to be visible, so I am going to cover it with this brown paper. For that, I am tracing 2 hexagons onto this paper. One hexagon I am cutting exactly through the border and fixing it to one side of the cardboard. The next one I am cutting, leaving a little space on all the sides of the border. Let's fix this to one side of the other hexagon. I am cutting out the corners of the paper so that it will be easy for us to cover the cardboard. So this is how it looks. Now put glue to all the 6 corners of the hexagon and attach tubes to each corner. I am keeping 1 cm of the tube to the inside of the hexagon. After fixing the tubes to all the 6 sides, I am fixing one extra tube to one of the corner. We are beginning our weaving with this tube. Now let's seal the tubes with the other hexagon piece which we already made. Apply glue on the tubes and keep the other hexagon on top of it. Press down and secure the paper tubes in position. Apply glue on all the 6 sides of the brown paper and close it like this. Thus, we are enclosing the tubes in between those 2 cardboard pieces. Seal all the 6 sides neatly. Keep a weight on it and let it dry for some time. This is the base of our basket. To start weaving, slowly press the base of the first tube with one hand. Now bend the tube and place it over the adjacent tube like this. Press this tube with your one hand and bend the second tube over the third tube and so on. Weave over and over till you get your desired height. As we build up the basket, the weave tubes will form a spiral pattern. I have finished the first round. Move on to the next round and continue weaving the same pattern. As you can see, the second layer of the tubes falls over the first layer. The tubes don't have enough length to continue weaving. So we need to attach new tubes to this. Take a new tube, dip it in the glue and insert it to the end of the old tube. Let's repeat this for all the tubes and continue weaving. Keep on weaving till you get the desired height. After adding 3 sets of tubes, I got this height. Now I am adding the last set of tubes and continuing. So altogether I used 24 tubes. We have reached towards the end. Apply glue and tuck in the ends of the tubes inside. You can secure the ends with clothespin till it gets dried. This is the final product. If you want, you can give colors and customize it to your choice. You can spray paint this or you can use a normal paint and color it. I've decided to keep this in the same color and I'm going to add this angel towards the back of this pen holder with a little hot glue. This is an angel which I had made for last year's Christmas decoration. I'll show a tutorial of how to make this in my upcoming videos. So I'm applying a little hot glue here and fixing it towards the back of the pen holder. So this is how it looks. Isn't that pretty? That's all for today. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. See you next week with another easy DIY session. Little Pencil signing off for the day.